See, in previous class we discussed local global object, local global class, and this is our very important program. Also for your practical exam, also that type of this type of program is coming. You see, what is the program? Write a program to hold details of 10 students. Means we have to input the detail of 10 students. Detail means name, roll number, marks, okay? And provide the facility of viewing details of the topper as well as of specific student by providing his or roll number. Means we have to design a program like this that we input 10 students, okay? And we have to compiler give you the topper, means which students gets the maximum marks, and specific details means suppose specific details using roll number. Suppose you have to suppose 1 to 10 roll number, you have to say 1 2 3 4 5 7 9 10 roll number, test name, and 10 students marks, total marks, okay? Means your compiler give you the topper, and suppose you have to find out what is the name of the roll number 6. Then when you type 6 means it automatically coming the name of roll number 6. Or suppose we want to know that what is the total mark getting roll number 7 student. Then when you type roll number and you want to see the marks, then means specific information, then it will automatically show you using roll number. Means that type of program, that type of condition we have to be designed in this program. Okay? Means again I am saying we have to input 10 student detail and provide a facility. Means you have to design a program like that we details of the topper which student got a maximum marks, his name, his roll number, or his or her, etc. Okay? And as well as of specific student, means specific student information, marks, roll number, name, by providing his or her roll number. Because if you press the roll number, giving the roll number, then automatically in respect to that roll number, the name and the marks will be coming given by the compiler. Like that we have to code a programming in C++. Okay? See. We take 3 header events. For SPDIO we use gets function, gets and puts function. That's why we use SPDIO, standard input output. IOSTM program is familiar with you already know in C++. And what is the class name? We declare the student. Anything you declare user event by, but in here books use student name, lecturer write student. And here access facility you see means your data member is in private mode, but your member function is in public mode. You understood? Your data member in your private access facility. I mean INT, roll number, character, name, 25 student maximum you have to input, but here only 10 student we must input, but we have to take a maximum set of 25 array, character name 25, or you see actually means this 25 means actually the one person student name is what? Maximum character is 25. Means suppose actually 25 is not very enough for one person name, but in suppose South India the person name is very long now, that's why suppose they take 25 means your suppose name character. But maximum what? 10, 15 characters is enough for one person name or 20. So 25 is taken for if one person student name is very long, okay? Middle name, first name, last name, like that. That's why we take 25. And marks will be in pointer number also. That's why we take float and character grade means A, B, C, like that. And public it is member function. And first member function is void read student means we have to read which we input the student's information. So information means and the roll number and the name means name is gets name means this is gets function we use gets function, and that's why we use SPDIO. Okay, and this is enter marks. Okay, see you write down from the beginning. This will be first, and after this will be end. This program is very large. Write down. Ideally, because there is no error space here, you just note down from the beginning in your copy serially. You see student, what is this member function? Void display student. Okay, display student means for output the program. Okay, for output purpose. Read student means for input purpose, and display student is for output purpose. See, calculate grade is one type of function. This function is used under a function. Okay, means it is defined in private access specifier. You just remember. And after this is variable roll number with variable use, data member, name, marks. This is for output your program, output program, grade variable. Okay, roll number we use integer, name character, marks float, grade character. Okay, and what for int get roll number, return roll number. This is one member function. And float get marks, we return marks. Return to the main function because output is always coming from the main function. We last portion we write down the main function. See, and where void calculate grade function. Okay, in under grade calculation grade there is if statement. We already know if else statement. What if statement? If marks is greater than is equal 75 means your grade is equal O. If else if your marks greater than is equal 60, your grade is equal A. Greater than is equal 50, grade is equal B. I erase it. You write down, note down this. You serially write down from the beginning the program. I write down part by part because there is no enough space here. Else if marks greater than is equal 40, grade is equal C, else grade is equal F means fail. This is ending of calculation grade function argument. Okay, means under the after this you write this portion. Okay, means again I am saying greater than 7 is equal 75 means O, greater than 6 means A, greater than 50 means B, greater than is equal 40 means C, and else if any student getting mark less than 40 means he or she will be failed. Okay, grade is F means failed. Okay, after this we have to write. I just erase down this portion. After this, we have to write main function. Int main student. This is actually taking an object. An object is taking as array, means array object. The object is they use 12A, but I use only A. Okay, object is user defined, that's why you can take any name, but in book they take as 12A, means 12 plus student, like that they using. But for simple purpose I just take A, anything you take, A, B, whatever. This class object is, I already told you, user defined. A10 means array of object. Okay, next, for int I is equal 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, cout, enter details of student I plus 1, A dot read student. Okay, I tell you this concept. Here we declare what object with respect to class. Your class is student, object is A, but here we take a array, means array of object, and this is loop I0 less than 10 I plus 1 because we have to input 10 student, means your array is index is for 0 to 9, okay, and enter details of student I plus 1 means I already told in previous class I plus 1 for designing means the entire details of student number 1, because if you take nothing here or only I here means you are coming like the enter details of student. If you here there is nothing you write, okay, none, only you write only this part, enter details of student. Suppose you don't write this person, means your how printing will be coming, the enter details of student, enter details of student, enter details of student, similar statement will be coming. But for designing purpose we have to design the enter details of student 1, enter details of student 2, like that na, only that. That's why we write here I plus 1. Or if you write only I means like that enter details of student 0, enter details of student 1, and this is not sync suitable. That's why we use I plus 1 means for designing enter details of student 1, enter details of student 2, like that. Okay, I hope you got it. And this is for designing dot dot, okay, or you means A dot the read student. A is for object, and using object we can access the member function. The first member function is what? The read student, the input member function. Okay, and next is int choice. Okay, why choice? Because we have to perform switch case. R number position is equal -1 initialize, and high marks we first initialize as 0. Why take 0? Because for compare purpose, okay, you see, and we use do loop, cout \n, main menu, specific student, topper, three for exit, enter your choice 1 2 3. This type of concept I hope you familiar with previous one. And since choice, see, this will be cleared. You write down from the beginning serially. I again say you don't skip any part in middle part. Say here we declare 4 variable. One is for choice, or you can take ch only, because this is for switch case. We have to write switch case after this. R means roll number, position 1 means suppose actually highest, whatever what we have to find, means topper mark means which student has got top marks, and highest marks. Okay, top marks means the position. We just assuming that position is -1 and high marks is equal 0. Okay, okay, and next is for this is was input statement. Main menu, specific student, topper, exit, and enter your choice 1 2 3. One is for specific student, topper, second is for topper, and third is for exit. Or if you press 4 5 6, then this automatically you have to exit from the compiler. Okay, and since choice means the value of choice. The choice is in choice variable how many integer? 1 2 and 3. 1 2 3. Okay, now we write switch case. Switch choice case 1, sin enter roll number. You just write down. This is the last portion of this program. Okay, enter roll number of student whose details want to see. Okay, and sin roll numbers means r number. We have variable r number. Take for I is equal 0, I less than I plus plus, and if a dot get roll number is equal to r number, means a dot display student. This is for case 1. Okay, break. After this you write, if I is equal to 10, see out invalid roll number. Invalid roll number. Okay, okay, break. This is for case 1. Means in whatever in case 1 we write, only you what enter roll number of student whose details want to see, means whose students we want to see the detail, means name, marks. Okay, you have to press the roll number. Roll number is in variable r number, and we take index 0 to 9. A dot get roll number, we take a member function. You see previously in roll number member function, a dot get roll number, get is for input the value, and a dot display. If your roll number is for index is suppose 10 student, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10, means index is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Suppose roll number is integer, means anything 11 12 31 34 like that. Okay, means if you press type roll number 34, means with that roll number what the detail, then means name, marks, it will be automatically come. And if I is equal to 10, means your index is 0 to 9. If your index is 10, means it is invalid roll number. You just don't be confused. This 10 is not roll number. 10 is the index. Okay, 10 is the index. Roll number is inside the roll number is element of the array. Okay, this 10 is index. If your I is equal to 10, invalid roll number, means there is no 10 index. Okay, there is no 10 index. 10 is, I again say 10 is not the roll number. 10 is the index, means address of the element, address of the array. The roll number is any integer number you have to take. Any integer number you wish to take. Okay, 10 is index. Your index is 0 to 9. If your index is 10, means invalid roll number. Means you have to input only 10 roll number. 10 integer number you have to input. If you want to input 11 roll number, 11 number of roll number, okay, then your coming to invalid roll number. Your storage is only your storage is maximum of 10, means your index is from 0 to 9. This is for case 1. Next you write case 2. Next you write okay, I erase it. Next you write case 2. For I is equal 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, if a dot get marks greater than high marks, and what is the high marks initialization? We use 0. Okay, then position is equal I, we take position assuming that -1 initialize. High marks is equal a dot get marks a position display student break, and I write down here last case means case 3 for exit the program. That's why we only write break, and last one is default. If anyone press other than 1 2 3, then your choice will be wrong choice. Okay, so it will be wrong choice. Just write down simply wrong choice. Okay, backslash n only if you want to write only one backslash n, this will be okay. But book there is 2 backslash n for ending in this. Okay, and last one is while condition. While choice greater than is equal 1 and choice less than is equal 3. Okay, books some printing mistake. In books some printing mistake, you write down choice greater than is equal 1 and choice less than is equal 3. Means 3 is for only exit purpose. That's why I hope books write only less than 3. But I write down here is equal 3, same purpose, same thing. Don't be confused. Return 0. Okay, this will be the ending of program. I tell you, see, I hope you understood the case 1. See what for case 2, for I is equal 0, I less than and I plus plus. I tell you, suppose this is the array 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, means 10 number student. Okay, suppose here any roll number you want to take. Okay, means when a dot get marks means what marks, suppose 11 12 13 14 15 roll number. Suppose 12th roll number student name is suppose Ram and he got 850. Suppose you take, okay, 850 point or 85.0, because this is marks is always float now, that means 85.0. But suppose 15 number roll number student, his name is Nita and she got 86.8. Suppose we just take 2 input value. Okay, means initialize we take position is equal 0, means we assume that what 0 index roll number 1 means in 0 index which roll number, and that respect to roll number 1 is first we take as highest mark. Means in 0 index what is the roll number 11, and roll number 11 name is, suppose we take Sita and she got 71.6, like that. Okay, means we have to assume that Sita is the topper and she got 71.6. Assuming, then means 0 index roll number 1 is topper. Assume, firstly we assume, and what is her position is 0, means like a position display marks, which what is the topper. We first assuming this first one is topper, and after that we have to compare. Okay, after that we have to compare, then second one is greater than or not, third one is greater than or not, and after that when we see that 15th number roll number is getting maximum, means topper is not Sita, topper is your this one Nita, and how many marks she got? 86.8. Basically I want to say, you just this program will designing like that when you press any roll number, this will automatically come, this will automatically come, and this is the condition, this is the main condition. See, comparing for this greater than or not, I only told you that first one is we assume that when the Sita concept, I write down the any name, any character name, I just write down one girl name Sita and she got 76. Then it will be comparing with other number. If the other number is greater than high mark, means first one, then it will be automatically to go to the high mark will be go to the next position. Suppose next one is getting then first one, okay, then suppose first index 0 and the roll number is 11, the 11 number roll number she got highest mark, we assume that after that roll number is getting suppose maximum than her, then his or her roll number will, his or her marks will be high mark. Like that, earlier program also that we have to compare with one another, okay? And which is the highest, when your condition will not be satisfied, means suppose 86.8 we take as the one girl named Nita and 86.8, suppose she got the maximum mark, I don't write the 10 student marks, okay? I write down only 3 student mark. I hope you understood. Man, which student you will got maximum mark, means his mark is not be less than another mark. This condition will be unsatisfied. When this condition will be unsatisfied, means his or her mark will be as a topper, mean maximum, okay? Means when one student mark is not less than of another student mark, means this condition is when unsatisfied, means then that student will be topper or maximum mark, and that the position will be coming. What index? Suppose in 6 number index 7, maximum index is 0 to 9, and that index reference, the roll number will be coming. That index reference, marks will be coming, and display mark and roll number automatically coming. In earlier roll number will actually we have to input the roll number, and this is for the wrong choice, and this is for choice 1, 2, 3. You have to choose only 1, 2, 3. One is for topper, second one is for the marks, and third is for exit. Okay, don't be perplexed. Okay, this program is very large. You will write them from the beginning and see, and don't be confused. This condition category is just only for comparing, and this is for loop. 0 to 10 means 0 to 9 index, 10 students detail, marks, name, roll number. Okay, and this will be the ending part, means 3, 4 break means only exit, and default means other than 1, 2, 3. And if you any doubt, you can ask me. And last one, I again tell you, this book only less than used, but I use less than equal. If less than means they use only 1, 2, less than means 1, 2, less than 3 means only 1, 2. Because actually statement is only, so it's only 1 and 2. 3 is only for exit the statement, that's why they use only less than, but I use less than is equal. Means 3 is also important. When we press 3 choice, means you have to automatically exit from the program. Okay, this equal is, you just write down equal, but book they don't write equal, but we write equal part. Okay, less than is equal 3 for exit the program. Okay, thank you.